guys, Royals. Excuse me for looking like this. I literally just woke up. But anyways, just to keep y'all a little informed, although we had a really beautiful day yesterday, reality is starting to set in. You know, if those of you that don't know, I am in San Antonio, and San Antonio doesn't get snow, okay? Ever. Like, ever. And so we got a lot of snow today. Well, yesterday. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay? So this is what it is looking like. Y'all hear that? Outside of my window, okay? And there is no water, no electricity. We are like literally without, sorry about my sink, y'all, but there's no way to wash the dishes. Look, there is no water, okay? And no electricity. No electricity whatsoever. And it's cold. It's freezing. Yes, Naima. I had to put this right here because it was so icy yesterday when we were running in and out. Huh? So, yeah. So, we ain't even able to do, like, the basics. We don't have no water to brush our teeth. We can't get in the tub and wash our asses. We can't do the number 2 in the toilets because the toilet won't even flush. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Either we're gonna end up going to somebody's house or going to a room because yeah, this is not to get, they just cut off everything. Like everything is cut off, everything is frozen. And I'm kind of scared because they don't really have any salt on these roads. Like they ain't put no salt up. We ain't in Ohio. We don't know how to do this. We do not know how to live like this because we don't get this kind of weather. So the roads are literally ice. And that terrifies me. But yeah, I will, I'll keep y'all updated on what we gonna do. So right now I'm just taking out all of the candles that I have, you guys, because we need some heat up in this house.
Mom,
what's up, baby?
I wish I could drink, eat something.
All right, so we are dressed and about to go find somewhere to stay because everybody that I've talked to said that all the hotels are booked. Like everything is booked. There's even a waiting list. These cheap ass hotels is paying an arm and a damn leg to stay there. So we gonna weigh our little options first before we do anything. You guys, all these cars on this road is for Burger King, and Burger King is way back there. Like, what is, I think Walmart might be closed. Walmart has got to be. What are these cars doing? Is this for Taco Bell? Ugh. That's for Taco Bell.
That's really nice.
guess how long this line is. Like, and everywhere is like this. So I'm actually shocked that Wendy's is open. Y'all hungry?
Very. Very.
Issa, you hungry? Yeah. You see all the cars back there?
Sad.
And we saw so many accidents on our way. I mean, people in Texas just still, they just don't get it. Like, they don't realize that we don't get this type of weather. So they think they can drive regular.
Boy, was they wrong.
And honey, people sliding left and right into each other. Cars are sliding off the roads, into ditches, sliding into ramps, sliding into each other. And what am I doing? Driving Miss Daisy, because I ain't got time to be playing no games. So we had to leave because they were not accepting credit cards. Credit card machines were down and they were only accepting cash. And you tell me who has cash nowadays. Like, who's carrying cash anymore? I mean, they done made it to where we can't even use cash for anything. So we're on to the next spot to get some food because we're hungry. Oh my God, this is crazy.
Oh, my jacket.
All the stoplights are out.
People are just going.
And they know they're supposed to be stopping. Lisa's back there crying. It ain't your turn. This has been crazy, but we need to stay positive, okay? We need to put some positive energy into the atmosphere so that our circumstances can flip.
Or Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen's line ain't that long. You could probably go to Dairy Queen. Hopefully they're accepting credit cards. Let's get over.
So,
God.
Dairy Queen wasn't open.
Churches ain't open.
Oh my God.
Not even.
So, we finally made it to our room.
I will make it fast as I can.
Okay. No.
Okay, thank you.
We finally made it to our room, y'all. Woo! That took like
3 hours.
3 hours. It took about 3 hours. So we brought our blankets and stuff from home, just some old covers and stuff that we have in the closet that, you know, never supposed to get rid of just in case you have company. Plus you don't be knowing if they wash these top covers or not. But anyway, so yeah, we got our whole little thing over there. Snacks and stuff because Issa likes to snack all day long. So I literally had to lay it out for her over there on the desk. I guess these hotels run on like generators or whatever. And this was the only one that we found that was available in town because it was so packed everywhere else. So we was just like, look, something better than nothing. Something is better than nothing. At least the toilet is working. You know what I'm saying? We got hot water. The microwave is working. The refrigerator is working. We have lights, you know, so yeah. And plus this one is,
She don't understand that people.
she's having a blast. Yeah, she's running around, jumping and bumping, and I'm like, ooh, I know who's ever up under us. It's like, hell no.
They sit down.
I brought my speaker, plugged it up into the wall because I need to unwind a little bit. And I brought my computer as well. So I'll be chilling. I might run back home for a few things. We're not that far. We're actually right there. Somebody just said on Instagram, I swear you are my bae. No. I really do have the sweetest followers, y'all. Like, I never have any problems with anybody coming to my comments being rude to me, calling me, crazy names and stuff like that. Like, I have a very, very, very respectable community, and I really do appreciate you guys. Like, y'all don't even understand. Hey.
Didn't I help you fix your phone? And you gonna make me delete Instagram?
Yeah, she did help me. She did help me fix my phone, y'all, because we was outside in the snow making snowmans and having snowball fights and stuff. And snow fell into my pocket. How did it do that? Snow fell into my pocket. And next thing you know, I went to go charge up my phone, and it was saying water is detected in the little charger part. And so I was about to cry because I was like, I really, really do not feel like paying for another iPhone. Like, I don't. I'm not even finished paying this one off, So I'm just like, I will not be going to an Android. That's just not even going to happen. But anyways, I have to run back to the house and grab a few things. So let me get out of here, y'all. But I just wanted to come and let you guys know that we are okay. We found a room. And yeah, we're doing okay. We're doing fine. This is supposed to last all the way up until Friday, and it is.
And then it's gonna.
What's today? Monday? Is it Monday or is it Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Yeah, I think it's Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh my God.
We're gonna stay in a hotel for 4 days.
I don't know. We're probably gonna have to go back home and thug it out. This is how we spend our nights sometimes. We're a fan of ourselves.
Don't get mad at me for using that word. It's an English word.
No, keep going. Keep on going.
We have the dining area. Obviously, it's full open. We have a beautiful chandelier above.
This is what I gotta put up with.
Ceilings. And on this side, instead of going with
Sibling love. They have been fighting since this child was 3 and he was 10.
Stop! Come on. Hurry up! Come on! Let's go. Are you serious? Yeah, Issa, you stay right there, Mama. You doing the right thing. Why? These kids is bad. This is what happens when you're in the middle of a pandemic and the whole state is frozen.
My hair, do you see?
You gotta keep it light.
I look really.
Where are you going?
Get us some Wendy's.
You better bring back some food. Ah! Girl, I swear, if you break my damn leg, don't do it, Issa. She don't want to. She don't want to. She don't want to. So just coming at you guys, letting y'all know that the hotel that we are staying in, the power has went out. What time is it, Mo? Is it like 2?
Yeah, it's like 1:30.
It's like 2 a.m. in the morning, and I already couldn't sleep. And yeah, we're in pitch blackness. Nobody is out on the roads. The roads are slick as I don't know what. I can see trucks going by, going like 5 miles per hour. And a lot of people are still asleep. Like, they don't even know that the power is out. But, yeah. So, that's where we're at right now. So, hopefully, we'll have more information in the morning. Ooh, thank the Lord. So the heat stayed off for like almost 5 hours. My throat is dry and scratchy. I'm probably gonna have to end up making me some tea later on today, but everybody was like so cold. But we are okay. The heat is finally back on. But yeah, I got the blow dryer going. It's not no joke. So I'll hit y'all up in the morning when there's some daylight outside. This is the craziest shit I have ever experienced in my life, y'all. Like, I don't know what is going on. Look, we're going down a ramp that's supposed to be coming back this way. Like, oh my God. This is not good. We ain't going nowhere. We're not going nowhere. This is ridiculous. This is so freaking scary. Oh. I'm going back to the room and I'm sitting my ass down. Y'all, this is a mess out here. Do not, I can't even say don't come out in this because I don't even know when I'm posting this video, but this is a mess. And I'm telling you, I'm about to stay my ass where I'm at. Like, I'm complaining about the price, but look, at least me and my family, well, I'm complaining about the price and you know, just crazy stuff that
stay in the middle lane.
I shouldn't even be complaining about. I'm not even complaining anymore because this right here, look, they won't even let nobody get on the highway.
Austin Street.
The highway is closed. Look at this. Highway is closed. Look at that. Oh my God. Highway is closed down. They're redirecting people. Thank God I didn't come that far. I'm about to hit this corner and get my butt back into the room. I mean, they really got these trucks out here. Well, I guess they used to it. We ain't used to this. We ain't used to it. This is literally all the food we have, y'all. And this ain't even considered food. This is snacks. You know, we got chips, peanut butter, tortillas, water, juice. That's about it. Like, this isn't even food.
Christine Kilburn says she's had no power since Sunday. And at the Genesis Women's Shelter and Support in Dallas, they're now asking for blankets, flashlights, and warm clothes.
Hi, David.
Vanessa Wilmore is the founder of Feed the People Dallas Mutual Aid.
Right now we are working on getting more people in hotels.
And in Bell County, Texas tonight, husband and wife Victoria and Bobby Dill and their friends buying hundreds of sandwiches and giving them away.
I know we come back to a warm house with food. So it was my duty, my mission to get somebody with something.
Millions heading into another night without power.
We made it over to my granny and my aunt's hotel because our hotel ran out of electricity and water. So yeah, this is where we'll be at. Oh, you guys, this has just been treacherous.
We finally made it past the freezing mark today. That gave the roads a better chance to clear. But the
Right.
weather is not over. Another system expected to bring something we do not want or need. More ice and
Oh
snow.
my
Here's Meteorologist
God.
Adam Cassidy.
Yeah, Steve, you touched on a few topics there. First of all, above freezing, finally. We went 106 hours straight at or below freezing. We missed the record for consecutive hours at or below freezing by 2 hours. 2 hours is how we miss it. All right, let's talk about what's coming our way. Take a look at the satellite and radar and notice that we do have some clearing out west. That's where temperatures have been. Another do some wet snow as we get into tomorrow. It's going to start out west again later this evening and tonight as rain around Del Rio. But as it spreads eastward, it's going to change to a wintry mix of sleet and freezing rain.
Oh,
after midnight
God.
here in San Antonio. Then we go through the morning hours and we see the transition to rain and snow. That's by about sunrise tomorrow. And mostly snow into tomorrow afternoon.
Y'all ready for this again?
A fairly narrow band across South Texas here, but there is the potential of some moderate to heavy accumulations, especially west of town where we'll see some of the higher amounts. We're going to get into those accumulations, break it down.
Now they saying it's gonna be what?
How much and
Heavy.
timeline again coming right up.
Oh my God.
Days past, we were worried about power. Now,
Power. She needs to be quiet.
water. What is happening to San Antonio's water
Right.
supply? It's a question we're trying to get the answer to. San Antonio Water System today issuing a boil water notice for its customers.
How are we gonna boil water with no electricity?
They have no water at all. The water utility set to give us an update on how they're dealing with these problems. We have been watching and waiting for that meeting to start. It was supposed to start at 4:30. We're getting word that it's finally underway.
Yeah, it was held up apparently by the Texans are going through and have been going through for months. SAL's president and CEO Robert Puente is in that meeting updating city council members on the problem the utility is dealing with.
They need to have me in that meeting.
Live during the SAW's meeting, but here's some of what he told council members earlier.
Our stations require power to pump and to fill the tanks, and it is critical to the building of pressure, proper pressure, to have these tanks full so that when the demand comes, we can push that water out to them. But that is the problem, is that the pumps that push the water out into the community
Frozen.
sometimes are lacking of power.
All right, we are monitoring that SAW's meeting right now. I think we're going to try and take it live and see if we can catch a little bit of what they've been talking about. Again, it was supposed to start at 4:30. It started actually a little bit closer to 5:45.
Facing the freeze.
Thank you, Steve. I think there are also some challenges in being able to see the chats that are popping up. Please make sure you send them to all panelists or to everyone. To make sure that we can all see them.
I'll keep y'all updated. It's crazy.
And,
Texas can't even handle
one thing that we've
this
had
cold weather.
come up
That's just ridiculous.
from, I'm sorry.
Y'all, It snowed again. What is going on? I gotta show y'all this. I gotta show y'all this. Look. This is crazy.
And listen, I hear you. I hear you. We hear you. Tell me, when did you lose power? How long did you go without power?
So I've been through the 1973 snowstorm that we had when I was in, second grade, third grade, and then I lived through the Great Memory. But we never ran out of power.
I mean,
And for children in South Texas,
it's beautiful. It is beautiful. It's absolutely
We don't
beautiful.
want it no more.
But I mean,
We don't want it no more.
Mother Nature, we want to go back home.
I think you're lying to me.
I mean the key to the room.
They're sending me out, y'all, in all this crazy weather because we're about to starve in this hotel. We ain't got no food. We ain't got no food.
HEB right across the street too.
I ain't going. Who waiting in the line for HEB? Not me. Look at this.
Look, we can get some Salisbury steak. Some turkey there.
I ain't waiting. I will not. If there's a line going out the door, I will not be waiting.
There's Target.
Nope.
Okay.
Let's go.
Be careful.
Okay.
If you feel like you fly or something, come back in the house.
All
Today
right.
could be my last day. A button. It does it for both.
It's an Uzi burn.
Oh my God.
It's not working.
Right.
Oh my God.
You play too much. Oh my God. I am not ready for this, y'all. I don't want to go out there.
Would you like me to go first?
Sure.
Not that bad. Don't fall.
Huh?
Don't fall.
Do you got the key to get back in?
Let's go my body.
Oh, I'm going over here.
My shirt's getting dirty.
I know, mine too.
Nothing but pain.
Come on, Kyrie. We gotta wait for these windows to get undolled. Ooh, that's my car over there. Oh my God, it's so cold. Ooh. Oh God, your mama go kill me. Sorry, Reese. Oh, I got snow all in the car. Oh, God. All right. You ready? You don't have to do the whole hood, Kyrie. Come on, it's cold. Hop on.
whole purpose of it. Get warm up in this mug. Come on. Woo! Thank you. Now your hair is all got snow in it.
I'll be alright.
Oh. So Kyrie said that he was going to walk to Target to see if they have any frozen foods. If they do, that'll be wonderful, so that we can have something to eat later. But right now, we are in this line. It was actually longer than this, y'all. Like, we were at least 30, 40 cars in the line to Whataburger. So I'm trying to get food for 7 people. Like, oh my God. Yeah, it's crazy right now. Come on, Kyrie, get in. Y'all see him right there, the little white little dot down there. Kyrie's been a G. Like, he has been a G this whole time. He's really been helping out and, you know, coming through. People need to go outside to the car. He's been coming down and, you know, making sure that we alright and all kinds of stuff. So, love you, little cousin. I told my granny I would come out and try to see if I could find us some food. Trying to be a soldier out here in these streets, you know. And I know this may not be really anything to hold on. Yeah, like I know that this type of weather may not be anything to like people that's live in New York and places like that, Ohio. My family's actually originally from Ohio, but I was never raised in that type of in the snow. Hold on, that's Kyrie. So I think my little cousin just called me. The connection has really just been horrible, but I think he just called me and said that they don't have nothing. Oh my God. I'm like, nothing? Nothing? Nothing. I'm glad I didn't get out this line. I'm glad we didn't get out this line. Oh, Lord, it ain't looking promising.
They ain't have none.
They didn't have nothing?
They only had ice cream.
They only had ice cream? They didn't have no food. Like none. Like
they had cereal and movies.
Oh no food. God. I should have known. You okay? Your legs froze?
No, I'm good.
Oh, you sure?
I'm positive.
Your glasses is fogged up. Thank you for doing that. Oh, such a G. Such a little G. I'm glad we didn't get out this line.
You're almost there.
Yeah, no, like, there's Whataburger right there, y'all. Ugh. Y'all wouldn't even believe what is going on. Got completely stranded at Whataburger. Look at this shit. Look at this. Ain't this crazy? It would be me, right? Me of all people, it would be me, right? Oh my God. And this weather. Look at this. Look at the whole line. Look. this whole line. When I say this has been 1 week that I will never forget. Like, I will never forget this. I know y'all always hear me say this, but I will never forget this. We got all the Whataburger washing. Hey, Reese. It's okay, boo. Oh, we will remember this crazy stuff. It's too cold, right? Yeah. It's too cold for this. He's been really nice.
He's very nice.
What's his name?
Oh no, they put this in the car.
Is it open? My hand is frozen. Finally checked out of the room. We are now at Walmart trying to get some food. Let me show y'all these owls.
Oh, this is sad.
Look at this. Look at this. This is absolutely insane. Okay, what?
Y'all get some, can I get an aloe vera for my hair? I need some aloe vera.
Get one of these. Get one of these. Get this bottom one right here. Get that one. Put it in the cart.
I can pass it. Coconut.
Come on. Come on, Issa.
Just a coconut.
That's okay. We don't need coconut, baby. Look at this bread. Come on. Empty. Empty. Rise Royals, it is either day 5 or 6, but anyways, this is the next day from the previous day that y'all just saw. We actually got home yesterday and you know, did all that grocery shopping. We'll try to anyway. Did all the grocery shopping and things like that, but y'all, it's absolutely crazy. What is it like? It's like 55 degrees today. It doesn't feel like, well, it does feel like it, but it feels better than what it was. The sun is out. It is beautiful today. Absolutely beautiful. I had to get out the house, y'all. This is my free weekend. The kids is gone, so you know, I get to get out and have me a little bit of fun. But yeah, I just wanted to stop through and just let everybody know that I really appreciate every single one of you that contacted me, sent me messages, left things on my Instagram, you know, asking me, do I need y'all to send me some food or anything like that? Excuse me, my voice is raspy. And you know, am I okay? Where am I staying? How's the weather? How are you doing? Like, y'all really were very concerned, and
that just melted my heart. You know what I'm saying? I really do appreciate you guys for checking on me and my family. We are fine. We made it through the snowstorm of San Antonio, and that's all that matters. Thank you guys for, you know, watching, keeping up with me. Keep up with me, you guys. You know, my journey is just beginning, and it's going to be a good one, trust me. I just want to show y'all what today is looking like, though. I want y'all to see what San Antonio looks like all the time, like all the time, because we was not prepared for that. But anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. Mwah.